Good. Isamu Kame Kame Why do you feel like me a joke? Suspect is the pass. Tia, serious, bro. Tia, serious. Bro, me serious. You love Fabi and me, but it not gonna work, so. One Tia in the chat. Bro, me serious. You love Fabi and me, well, you love the past. You have to move on now. And the future with it. Future plans we're gonna talk about. You have to think about the future, you know? Yo. No, dog. John, what I'm fuck up, you know? Fuck up, you know, dog. I'm fuck up, you know? Means a fuck up. He's a fuck up person. Yo, wanna stop style Fabi. Although me and not left, wanna stop style her, bro. Wanna stop style Fabi, bro. And mix approve, you know? And mix approve. Yo, stop this, no, man. One tea and I chat the chat. Let me see what one. See what Mix have to say. Mix, come up, man, come up.
I pray.
Alright, Mix. So what you say, Mix? What you say?
No speak English, mi amigo. Sí, no English, sí.
No, man, Mix, what you say?
No español, mi amigo. No español.
So
No
I talk to no one, you approve the message.
¿Qué pasó? Me?
Mix, have you understand, you know?
No, I no entiende, mi amigo. One Fabio.
Mix, that woman is serious, you know?
Is she serious?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure about that?
Sure about that, man.
Well, I'm chief, a dirt, you know. What make you happy count, you know, bro? But don't jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire.
I find that, you know?
That sugar look the same, bro. Remember?
Mix, I find that, you know?
Eh?
I find that, you know? That's enough fire.
Green card. Lord, clear that. I'm telling you.
A Fabia fire.
Eh? What? That's it. With the green card. What is a green card?
Green card, bro.
Bucklet. You know, youth, if I do it then, man.
Get the green card and then we come back for Fabi down.
Yeah, man, yeah. Get the green card first, my G. Anyway, you get the green card now. You see what I say? You just make a move.
No.
You mean no?
Me like tear for true.
You mean no?
Me like tear for true, man.
Yeah, for sure. So you do it for me then? What you do it for me? What you plan to do it for me?
I don't know.
That the people them want to know, you know, bro.
We so find out, man.
Because remember say this Tia person just come out of the blue, so she just pop up.
I know, so she not just come out of the blues.
A long time she about. Blood. So far be there, bro.
She probably gone home, you know?
You gone home?
Yeah.
So how go on?
No, not going between me and her. She good, man.
You good?
Yeah.
She just have to take a break.
She never really want to lift out her car still.
Okay. I get you. Let's go and grow, man, my bro, man. Is it? That's for us go and grow, man. Things take time, you know.
You know have to grow my tear.
No, I'm not attack Tia. I probably me attack.
Yeah, but me not have to grow tear that me I throw you.
Yeah, but bro, so you know, you go on about the two of them, bro. Me not fair spread it out.
Oh, okay.
Man, tell you, bro. It's a Tia no know what go on. That's what I say. Yeah.
Tear no want me.
I'm probably have to know say just green card, is it?
Yeah, Fabi just no.
I know say a green card, bro.
Yeah, better
Yeah,
life
man.
yeah, search for you,
Better
know?
life here. You see me? So you get a green card now. You're not gonna divorce Tia and married Fabi, you know. You're gonna find a husband for Fabi.
What?
Make she married and so that me check say that though.
What you mean?
So me check say you there still married to Tia. Zane, and when
No.
you reach over, so you find a husband for Fabi
That not
married
work.
to, and Fabi go up.
That not work out.
So what? Me not understand that, bro.
That not work out.
So I got left here and married Fabi for bring up Fabi when you get your papers.
No.
Bro, you confuse me now, bro. I can't, hey, what you know? Me I say.
Yeah, come out for Fabi on vacation.
No, hold on, bro. No, bro, not talk too low, because we don't want the chat here, we say. Watch this, bro. Them fast, you know, bro. Them love chuck. We don't want to hear, we say. Me I say to you, say, bro, Zane, don't talk too loud. Because them a listen. Me I say to you, say, bro, you married Tia. Go up, so. Get the green card. And so you get the green card, yeah? You find a husband now for Fabi. Nobody fucking first do, you know. Find a husband for Fabi. Zane, I make she married to him. Hey, stop sending cap now, man. Find a husband for Fabi, bro. Zane. And then no make she married to him. I make she come up. And then when she reach up now, yeah, you just make she divorce him and then you have the two of them to yourself.
So Mix, that you plan to do with your wife?
Oh?
That you plan to do with your wife?
Mom, done married already, bro. Yeah, when me they get married, them thing never there go on. So the new law come
No,
out.
man, you can still unmarried, man.
No, man, it's a new law come out in America, bro.
You
So
can
just
still,
have to know about it.
unmarried, man.
No, man, no, man, no. The new law say me can't unmarried, you see it, but the new law can apply to you because you're not married yet.
Oh, so you're stuck with your wife forever then?
That is it.
No.
I can't do nothing about it, blood. You have to just go and hold it, is it? Yeah, man.
So Mix, suppose you get old and she get old, you and I get old together and you want something young. What you go do?
Eh?
Suppose you get old and she get old. And you want some young front. What you go do?
Want so young front?
Yeah, what you go do?
Yeah? It's like it had break up when you said the last part. I couldn't hear you. No, man, I really talk, man. You break up. Yes? Hey, my boss, reach home, you know.
Alright.
Yeah. My boss reach home. Look at 3-year-old boss. Is it so? Jaja.
Show off for me, man.
No, she kick me out. She. You know, you a while ago, bro?
Yeah, man.
Bro, I can't sleep outside, you know, bro. You see it? Yeah. I don't want she put me up, bro. Just believe me, bro.
Alright.
She worse than Fabi, bro.
Eh?
Shall we 4 in a couple weeks? She worse than Fabi, bro. Right now, be a box and kick me and get it. Me not come off my phone, bro. I see.
Alright.
No. Alright, so why for no, what I know, why for there, so I kind of protected.
Oh, if it.
Hi, Jaydenn.
What say, boy, just there talk, boy, him go get 3 girl tonight.
Oh, what time?
6 o'clock.
Oh, so 8 minutes. So we forgot we can come back then.
Me think you would have box him done.
Oh, no. One and too soft.
Oh, okay. You get him.
When you grow up, you want to be just like me, no?
You get him, man, I get with.
Yeah. Yeah, man. What mix?
You get him, man.
What mix? I tell you. You can't stay there.
I call Fabi for.
What am I saying? Add Fabi?
I say call Fabi. Call Fabi for what?
Call Fabi?
For what?
What I mean? To Fabi.
No. Really.
Call Fabi now if you want to her.
Tanya.
Why if she shall call her, see what I'm to her?
Make she call her.
Yeah, she shall see what I'm to her. Babe, so right now, Tia do it, you know.
Who?
Tia.
Who name Tia?
Or yourself.
I thought
See it? No, man, green card. No. Tia, green card. Green card.
Tia, green card?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, the letter, the
No,
sponsorship letter?
we don't know if she have green card or blue card.
You know why I don't feel like me a joke, you know?
But she live over there. She a nurse. She look nice. She not on a picnic. Yeah.
So what Fabi say?
And hold on, no.
She really run there, you know?
No, she don't want to do nothing.
Clad.
Yeah.
You see that to do now?
She work
you
and
see
she...
you, Jaydenn, you drop on your mouth.
No, what I know?
You see you. You drop. You drop, Jaydenn.
But for real though. No, for real though, man. I say.
So where do you come from?
Don't worry about that, man.
Don't know what makes.
Don't worry about wrong thing, babes, man.
No, like still makes me say your pints are go up, you know? Me say your pints are go up and so.
Oh, you bad mind.
A pint?
Me say your pints are go up, so, you know?
How about the blood?
Motherfucker face, you know?
But you know, I'm bad mind. Yeah, I'm go bad mind myself, bro. How am I get so much pints?
I don't know why
Tell
they
them
not
to
sell as
stop.
much pints.
Will you stop send gift man and send more?
I want to really deal with it. Yo.
Yo.
I want the...
Chat.
So... yeah, man. I'm not going to send it.
Chat, we are
We can't
living
go
in
shoot back out go now.
Chat, we are living in a new era. Tia.
They say, Tia do it.
Yeah.
That me assist to you, know.
Yeah, man, she go here on the screen record.
Yeah, me assist.
Fabia go here, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, you say that, yeah, say, man.
What is it?
You just say that, yeah, say.
So what?
That yeah work with.
What?
Tia, you work with that.
No, I wife said that to no, bro.